let's admit this, adulting is hard. At least I haven't heard of anyone in my life saying, I just love to get up every single morning, go to work at a place where I don't feel inspired. And I just love to pay bills. And I just love to manage or learning how to deal with my children's emotionality while being thrown off by their tantrums. Or I just love to feel triggered and, so I get to go within and heal my wounds. So anyway, what's my point? Being an adult, seriously, is not easy. But most of us, when we were kids, we're being told probably, well, you get to become or do whatever you want when you're an adult. But seriously, is that true? So I would say a lot of times what children don't have compared to adult is the free will to make a choice. But here is a tricky thing though. When we are not connected to that energy within us, the inner child we call it, in our landscape, in our inner world, most likely it's going to affect the way we behave in our adulthood or the decision-making process. And we make unconscious decisions because of the wounded part of us that hasn't been acknowledged or recognized. So anyway, I just feel called to invite you to my upcoming webinar. It's a free to attend one, to have a tea party with our wild kid inside. And wild can mean anything. You can be adventurous, it can be fun, it can be dorky, nerdy, it could be shy. Doesn't matter what kind of wildness your inner child is. Let's start acknowledging it. So it's going to be an experiential process, about 60 to 75 minutes, and I'm so happy to host this webinar. So we get to all start learning how to deepening the bond with our inner child, which will allow us to actually make more conscious decisions and healthier ones without being impacted by our unconscious patterning. So we're going to talk also more about the emotional patterns that our inner child affect us when we are not connected with them. So anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing you in this upcoming workshop. So sign up in the link below, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye guys.